What if I told you that carrying your camera gear in 2025 could be safer, smarter, and more stylish than ever? Whether you're a professional photographer or a passionate hobbyist, the right camera backpack can make all the difference. In this video, we're revealing the top 5 camera backpacks that are a game changer for photographers. From rugged durability to sleek designs, these backpacks are a must-have for your next shoot. Stick around because, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one is perfect for you. Oh, and don't forget, all the product links are waiting for you in the description below. Let's dive in. Number 1. Nomatic McKinnon 35L. Here it is, folks, the best of the best camera backpack we tested. The Nomatic McKinnon 35L, $331, goes above and beyond to provide all the essential coverage for your professional camera gear while taking comfort and style seriously. This is our number 1 pick. Let's start with the build. The McKinnon camera pack was constructed with travel in mind. There are 2 main compartments, the camera gear hub and the luggage hub. The camera gear compartment easily organizes your gear with sturdy padded dividers fitting multiple cameras, lenses, and accessories. We fit 2 DSLR cameras, 2 lenses, a 35mm camera, a Profoto AX1 flash, and a run-and-gun microphone attachment in the dividers. Additionally, there are multiple mesh zipper compartments for holding cords, hard drives, memory cards, and batteries. Number 2. Peak Design Outdoor Backpack 45L. Experience the ultimate in outdoor adventure with the Peak Design Outdoor Backpack 45L. $330, a versatile bag crafted to meet all your needs without compromise. This internal frame backpack is a well-refined product ideal for outdoor photographers and travelers alike. It's lightweight and comfy yet securely carries a ton of essentials. And its durable construction and thoughtful details can hold up to some serious abuse. We took this backpack on hikes, airplanes, photo shoots and remote locales where we needed all our gear, into trade shows. It exceeded our expectations in all scenarios. The massive rear entry zippered back panel means you can toss this backpack on the ground, unzip the panel, and grab your camera quickly so you never miss a shot. Number 3. Lowepro ProTactic 450AW2. The first thing you notice about Lowepro's ProTactic 450AW2, $230, is its understated design. A flat black exterior with webbing throughout perfectly blends style and utility. As great as the exterior looks, this pack really shines when you open it up. With enough room to fit 2 DSLR or mirrorless cameras, additional lenses, and even a drone, you won't need to decide which device to take on your trip. You'll simply be able to bring the best gear for whatever situation arises. The padded, flexible dividers can be adjusted to multiple configurations. This allows you to arrange your camera gear however you want. And the tough EVA molded top padding all around the backpack keeps it safe. Number 4. Thule Covert 32L. You probably know Thule from those sleek rooftop cargo boxes you see on that Subaru flying by you on the freeway towards some exotic destination, but the brand also makes excellent packs. And the Covert, $320, lives up to its reputation for quality and innovation. The first thing we noticed was the removable padded camera pod that can be worn as a sling or shoulder bag. This separate pocket can hold a DSLR camera with an ultra-wide-angle lens and a DJI Mavic Pro drone. Cleverly, you can pull the pod out and just take your camera and drone with you without hauling all your gear. The camera pod sports a unique design quirk. The interior organizer takes inspiration from origami, folding in multiple configurations so you can store your cameras however you'd like. Number 5. WANDRD PRVKE 21L V2. If you need a bag that can go anywhere, regardless of the weather, the WANDRD PRVKE 21L Photo Bundle, $299, is the way to go. Consisting of the PRVKE 21 pack, accessory straps, a waist pack, and a rainfly, this rugged set is one of our better picks for hiking on this list. The back panel and shoulder straps feature improved comfort through a more ergonomic shape and additional padding. Plus, there's a side access port to quickly grab the camera while you trek. Otherwise, the clamshell opening makes gear access so simple and easy on the fly. Magnets in the handles mean they can snap together for a tote-style carry. This 21L pack's main body can fit your camera body, extra lenses, a drone, and a flash unit in the main compartment with its removable padded separators. If you need to bring more along, the expandable roll top unfurls to add an extra 5L of space to the pack. Smaller internal pockets keep your accessories organized. And there you have it, the top 5 best camera backpacks of 2025. Which one are you grabbing? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more game-changing recommendations. All the product links are in the description, so go check them out. Until next time, keep shooting and stay inspired.